drum disc that you want to remove. Don't bother yourself trying to hammer it, try to put screwdriver in it like this. No, as you see, get your 8mm nuts. If you look at the thread there, put it like this. Put it like this. And then we get to it. As you're doing like this, and then it's lifting. See? It's coming loose. See, it's coming loose. Just like this. That is the reason of those holes there with the threads. So yeah, this is how you remove your brake discs. See, the brake shoes are finished. This is Toyota Fortuner T40 engine. We are finished. As you see, the brake shoes are finished.